Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired July 20th, 2026. The topic of that episode was Beyond Appearance and Thought is Truth. Swami, your insights.
Mental material energy isn't the truth. Standing in fear and limitation misses the mark. Divide and conquer before rising into oneness.
Looking to live in the truth of oneness? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya